Cameroon attackers armed with guns killed at least 8 children and wounded dozens. In Afghanistan, security forces have killed a senior Al-Qaeda leader, Abu Muhsin al-Masri. In Pakistan, figure of patients recovered from the coronavirus has reached 310,491. In Vietnam, death toll has risen to 130 from landslides, floods, and other natural disasters. Saudi-led coalition destroyed drone launched by Yemen Houthis towards kingdom.